Good morning. How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone had a good night last night and that everyone is ready to get their day going and have the best day ever. Okay, now I told you yesterday that we were going to be starting a new sound today. And our new sound is made up of two vowels. It's made up of two vowels. And if you look on my screen right here, what two vowels do you see? O, O. Now we know two sounds that the letter O makes already. We know the short O sound, ah, and we know the long O sound, O. But today we're going to learn even a new sound that two O's together can make. Okay? So let's look right here. I have three words written on my board. I have good, I have wood, and I have brook. Good, wood, brook. When you look at these words, what two letters do you see that might make the sound? What two letters do you see that might make the sound? Good. Wood. Good. Brook. Okay? What sound do you hear in the middle position? Good. Wood. Brook. The middle, beginning, middle, end. Beginning, middle, end. Beginning, middle, end. Okay, so we're talking about the medial position or the middle position. Look at all of these words. What two letters do you see? And the same that are not three words. O-O, O-O, O-O. Now, the O and the O are making one sound. What do we call two letters that come together to make one sound? Do you remember what that's called? A digraph. Very good. It's called a digraph. Now, how do we code digraphs? You underline them. That's right. You underline them. So we're going to underline these digraphs in these words. The digraph is O-O. Underline it. Wood. Underline the O-O. Brook. Underline the O-O. So that's what you're going to do. When you see two O's together within a word, you have to underline them because it's the digraph. Now, I'm going to give you a clue because remember when we were talking about the TH digraph, we had code words and pictures. Feather was one. And who remembers the other one? Thimble. That's right. Thimble was the other one. So the code word or the picture card that you're going to remember for the O-O sound, let's see if you can figure it out. See if you can make an inference right here. This is something that is very sharp. It is usually dropped into the water from a long string. We put worms and lures on this to catch fish. What do you think it is? Anybody have an idea? That is exactly right. It's a hook. It's a hook. So anytime you see the picture card of a hook, you're going to think of the sound. All right. So the keyword hook helps us remember the sound because it has the sound. Now let's look right here at the word good. Do you see any vowels? Yes, O and O. Are the vowels part of a digraph? Yes, they are. The vowels are part of a digraph, so that's why you have to underline them. Why do we underline the digraphs? To remind us that the two letters coming together makes one new sound. Does this word need any other coding? No, it doesn't. Who can use the word good in a sentence? The weather is good today. Or macaroni and cheese is so good. That's how you use the word good. All right, now let's look at this one. What are the vowels in the word wood? O and O. And if you have two of them side by side, what do you have to do? You have to underline them because they are a digraph. Do you see anything else that we need to do to this word? No, you don't. This word is wood. I use wood to build my home. Brook. Does anyone know what a brook is? A brook is a type of water. Okay, it's a type of water, a brook, a small type of water. So brook. I have a brook behind my house in the woods. I have a brook behind my house in the woods. let's look at this paper together, okay? I want us to look at these together. I want to look at this one. This is like what we do at school, isn't it? This can help you guys to review so that you'll be familiar with what we're doing while you're at home and you remember us doing it at school, all right? So this is the letter OO is the digraph, and it says ooh, all right? So when you see the picture card of the hook, what are you going to remember? O and O. Now be patient with Miss Rainwater trying to draw because I can't actually use my pencil. I'm having to use my computer tool. So it's not going to be quite as pretty, right? Okay, now let's go throughout and let's find all of the digraphs ooh together. What are we going to do? We're going to underline them. Here's one. What does CK say? TH. There's the OO, digraph OO. We're going to underline it. Sh. Ooh. Sh. Ooh. Qua. Qua. Ooh. Sh. Okay? Just like we do normally when we're at school. Now I'm going to say a word and I want us to see if we can find the word and we're going to circle it. Okay? We're going to circle it. Beside number 2, we have digraphs OO in each of these words. I want us to circle the word look. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word look? Oh, like lion. So we're going to circle the word look. All right. And number 3, this time I want you to circle the word took. 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 Took begins with a letter sound T. What word is this? Brook. Brook. Cook. Number 4. This time let's circle the word stood. I stood in line for 1 hour to buy a concert ticket. Stood. There's the blend. Number 5, circle the word good. Good. Can you point to the word good? Very nice. This is the word good. Good. How many sounds do we hear? Good. We hear 3 sounds, but it has 4 letters. And then number 6, circle the word cook. Circle the word cook. Let's sound it out together. Ready? Stretch it. Cook. 3 sounds, 4 letters. Cook. Excellent. Now, I'm going to do a little I Spy activity just like we do when we're at school. But I want you to look at the high frequency word box. Those are your sight words. I'm going to give you a clue, and then I want you to point to the word on the screen that I'm talking about. All right? I spy the sight word that has a short A in it, and it also has the blend bull. Has the short A sound, ah, and it has the blend in it, bull. Point to that word. Is it this one? No. This one? No. This one? Nope. Can it be this one? Nope, I don't see a blend. Here it is, black. Let's do one more I spy. I spy a sight word that has a 2-letter sight word in it. I spy a sight word that contains or includes a 2-letter sight word. Ooh, there might be more than 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Look right here. Sight word he, sight word he, sight word he, sight word and. But I also see 3-letter sight words. The. But what word was I describing? You could have said they, you could have said then, you could have said them, or you could have said than. All right, kiddos. So I hope today that you learned something new about the digraph OO. And remember what the code card or the letter card or the picture card would be. It's going to be a picture of a hook. Okay, See you tomorrow.